Well, howdy.
Alright guys.
Welcome back to another video. And we got some catching up to do.
There's a lot been going on.
There sure has. So, we have done our sealer and our first primer coat on the Datsun. And Justice has just went around and filled in some little spots that were popping up. So what we're gonna do is let that dry. We'll go over it with a 220 grit sandpaper.
And then we're gonna prime it again.
Yes. And then we'll sand that again with a 320. And then we'll paint it. And I'm still not telling you the color. It is going to be close.
It'll be pretty.
I'm not 100% sure it's going to make import face off. But it'll be damn near ready if it's not. So
it'll be done like right after if we don't make it. So
yeah, like the weekend it happens, it'll get finished, which would suck. But it is what it is. We are trying to make the deadline, and I'd say we're doing pretty okay. Alright guys, so we have since sanded with our 320. We have rebondoed a couple spots that we were not expecting to bondo. I made a post on YouTube. Today would be last night. So kind of hinting at the color, at least the brand that the color is made by. I'm going to flip you around, show you kind of what we've done so far. And then we are going to try and prime this thing one more time. Sand it again with 320 and try and paint it ourselves. So this is kind of what we got going on. We had a few waves in the door we needed to work out. A couple spots on the fender itself, the rear quarter, and then, let's see, I think there was a couple more spots on this side. Yeah, right there, that part of the door, and this fender as well. So I do say that we are going to try because I have never actually painted a car completely by myself before. And by myself, I'm also referring to Justice. By ourselves. So we're gonna start with priming. If that doesn't go too well, then I will wait for my father-in-law to get back and then he can help me with it. If not, if it goes okay, we will proceed as planned, hopefully, and maybe, just maybe, we will be able to get this car done in time for import face-off. Go through, check the car out a couple more times, then I gotta wipe it down with a tack cloth, and then we can go ahead and prime it. Get out of here. Get on. Get getting.
Ready to do this?
Nope, it didn't work. So we are getting ready to mix the primer. It is a 4-to-1 ratio. So I'll come over and we'll show you how to mix it up on the buckets. So if you're like me and you've never done this before, you might not know how to use these, but this is going to be your 4-to-1. So we are going to fill it up to the 6 with our primer, and then this 6 with our activator.
And then if it's too thick, you're gonna fill it up to the next 6
with acetone. You don't want what?
I don't want this. I was trying to say it thins it out and you cut me off.
Oh, might be. So we're gonna get mixing.
Shaking it.
So if it's sat a while, you're gonna want to shake it up and get everything grooving.
Did you tell them what kind of primer we're using?
This is the green label primer. I have no idea.
It's the same one as that, something base. Anyways, yeah, just mixing it up. Mixing up the primer, the 4-to-1 primer. Should be good. Well, my shaking didn't work very well, so now I'm mixing it.
Oh yeah.
Get in there. Your father.
No, Daddy, no. So we've now got it all mixed up, ready to go. We are going to grab one of these strainers, grab our gun over yonder, take the lid off, put the strainer up top and then pour in the mixture for the primer, and then that strainer will just keep all the clumps out of the gun itself. That way you don't clog up and get anything into your primer that you don't want. So we have gone through and primered the car one last time.
Oof.
And then we will sand it one last time.
It's a little foggy in here.
It is a little foggy in here.
We got a long blocket with 320.
So we'll have to go over it with sandpaper one more time before we go ahead and throw our base coat on there with our clear. After that, should be done, and then we wet sand and such to get a super nice finish. Probably won't wet sand it before import face off.
No,
but
we're not gonna make it because we want to do it right, and the body work needed more work. So
we still might make it there painted, but not finished.
Not finished.
That's for sure. Also, I'm going to make this all one long video, so by the end of this video you will know what color the Datsun's painted, because I'm tired of breaking up bodywork videos and posting the same thing over and over again. So that being said, next clip you see will either be us sanding or painting. Man, that looks so good.
Where'd you start recording, right?
So this video is going to be in black and white because I don't want to reveal anything, but I need to end out the video that's taken the course of a week. Of course this is in black and white, so you can't see what color it is, but I will show you just how put together it is now. The windows, door cards, we are still doing carpet, and I gotta do an exhaust before tomorrow morning because tomorrow is import face-off. So I gotta clean all of this up.
You gotta clean all of this up?
We gotta clean all of this up. And
I mean, you're welcome to do it.
Put another seat in there. Couple things, but hopefully by tomorrow morning it's an actual car. It's insured now. I don't have a plate, but luckily it's a couple miles down the road. No.
Oh.
That's what I just said. I don't have a plate.
Well, you didn't say it wasn't licensed.
How am I going to have a plate for it if it's licensed? Or how am I not going to have a plate for it if it's licensed?
I don't know, maybe you hadn't got it yet. Anyways.
So, we're going to get cracking on this. Thank you all for watching. We are barely making it to import face-off, but it'll be worth it.
It's going to be a long night.
Yes, it's going to be a long night. Oh, we still got to bleed the brakes too, so there is that. Like I said, thank you all for watching. Also, thank you all for 400 subscribers. Woo! 400. If you like Datsun content, let me know. This car's pretty much done now. There's gonna be small stuff here and there that we do on it, but this is gonna be how she sits for quite a while until she blows up.
No, she's not going to do that.
Not yet.
Maybe
Okay.
a less while.
Okay.
Anyways.
I'm dragging on. I'm sorry. I've said goodbye. I've said thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. We will see you at Import Face Off tomorrow if you're going. If not, well, that sucks for you.